In Apache Kafka, what exactly is a consumer group? Let's dive deeper. What are the functionalities of a consumer group? What exactly is rebalancing? And what are the IDs? Those are useful in a consumer group. In Kafka, when multiple producers start producing number of messages to a single topic, it becomes overwhelming for just one consumer to consume and process the messages. It becomes slow. So we need some mechanism to process faster and share the workloads. That is possible only by parallel processing. So that is why Kafka has a functionality, has a feature called consumer groups. So more than one consumer, they can form a group and they can have a unique group ID and start consuming from a single topic which has got multiple partitions. For example, if a topic has got 3 partitions and you have 3 consumer in a group, each consumer will get 1 partitions to process the messages. Similarly, if you have 4 partitions in topic and 4 consumer in a group, each will get 1. If you have, let's say, 8 partitions in a topic and just 4 consumers, so each will get 2 partitions to process the message. So that is handled by the Kafka broker. And when you have more than one consumer in a group, they can process the messages parallelly, which is helpful for horizontal scaling. Then what exactly is rebalancing then? Rebalancing is the partition ownership transfer. What exactly does it mean? Think you have 4 partitions and 4 consumers, and one of the consumer leaves that particular consumer group. So you have still 4 partitions and 3 existing consumers to process. So Kafka will issue a rebalance to transfer the ownership of the partitions in an optimal way. In this case, one consumer will get 2 partitions to process the messages. Similarly, if a new consumer joins the existing group, let's say you have a consumer group 1 and a new consumer joins, so they can share the workload. Okay, and that is managed by the group coordinator and leader roles. And what exactly is an identifier? Identifier is nothing but IDs. So in consumer group, the consumer group ID plays a vital role. So you should have a unique ID per group. So in particular, when you are writing regression test, you can assign one group ID for your entire test suite. Or you can randomize the group ID so that every time your test runs, it creates a new group and new consumers to process the messages. And you have other consumer IDs, client IDs also in Kafka, but the most important bit is consumer group ID, this bit. Okay. So in this video, this is a very short video, we learned Kafka consumer group and what are its functionalities and what is rebalancing and what are the identifiers. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.